Hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be talking all about local SEO. So let's get straight into it. So with local SEO, backlinks and things like that aren't too important. What's mainly important is reviews and things like that. So as you can see, if you type in Google Mile End Climbing Wall, for me it comes up with this place called Mile End Climbing Wall because it is on Google now, and it's on Google My Business, which is a special thing with Google where you can put your business up basically. So you can see exactly where they are. They're in London. You can see the exact address when they're open. You can see reviews from Facebook, etc., things like that. Now, as you can see, that is absolutely awesome, and that is a great way to find business by having it straight up here thanks to Google, which is fantastic. Now, to do that, all you need to do is Google My Business, and this will pop up, and then you need to click Start Now and just follow along what they tell you to do, and it'll just tell you how it works basically. So as you can see, it also says how does it work here. You can just have a look at what it's all about, and it basically just tells you what you need to do and what it will look like once you have uploaded your business and the business's location, etc., to Google, which is absolutely fantastic. And if you go to a website, you can create a free website for your business in minutes as well, which this isn't a very good thing, but the other stuff is mainly absolutely fantastic. Actually having it so that your business has its own space on the side of Google search results, which is awesome. It also helps you appear higher as well, so that's absolutely fantastic. Next, what you can do is add your business to TripAdvisor. Now with that, there's hotels, holiday rentals, restaurants, things to do, flights, and just absolutely tons of stuff on here. Or there's Yelp, which once again, there's loads of different things you can do. Restaurants, nightlife, local services, delivery, all sorts of different things. And finally, you can of course make a Facebook page, which the Mile End Climbing Wall have done, and they have got 6,000 Facebook likes and a rating average of 4.7 stars, which is awesome. Now it says, as soon as you go onto their page, you can see that this year Mile End Wall is 30, which is absolutely insane. It's been going on for a very long time then. And then yeah, so that's that. That's all you need to do, and that will definitely help you rank higher for local business. So if people are looking for a climbing wall local to you and they live in London, they will find Mile End Climbing Wall. If you have a restaurant and people are local to you and people type like looking for a restaurant or a cafe or something like that, it'll be on there. And if people are using Google Maps and they're using Siri, say something like, Siri, find me a restaurant near me, something like that, and it will find all the closest restaurants and put them in a list. And it was absolutely awesome because if you do use Google Maps, it will put yours on the list, which is fantastic. So yeah, that's that. That is absolutely awesome. That's all you need to do. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hopefully you know what I'm trying to talk about. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying and how simple it will be for you. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.